Here's how to block ads on Android phone using built-in settings. No apps required. Method 1. Turn on private DNS. This blocks most ads. Open Settings. Tap Network and Internet. Tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider hostname. Enter this exactly, dns.adguard.com, and tap Save. This blocks ads system-wide, in apps, games, and websites. Method 2. Turn off ad personalization. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and under Privacy, tap Privacy Controls. Then tap Ads. Next tap Ad Privacy. In here you can tap Ad Topics and tap Allow Ad Topics button to disable it. Do the same for app suggested ads and ad measurement. Now go back and tap Delete Advertising ID. Tap the Delete Advertising ID button at the bottom. This stops Google from using your activity to target ads. I'm using a Google Pixel, but on other Android phones, the menu names may look slightly different. The settings and results are the same.